It's Zapto's fourth birthday, and they are giving this box. Of course, not free. So I bought some groceries to just to have this birthday box. Let's see what's in it. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. They said that these are have 8 items. Okay, so one cold coffee. I'm not that fond of it. तेरे मेरे ओके क्या है सेंसिटिविटी प्रोटेक्शन टूथपेस्ट हाँ टूथपेस्ट ओके और सब्जी मसाला पड़ता है and it's gluco plus instant energy glucon D kind of और ये क्या है what's it cute tic tac disappointed 1 2 3 what is this stay wait are there oh okay banded and what is it it's also banded sure expected much more interesting thing really disappointed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 क्या करूँ मैं इनका क्या क्या anyways I waste my 700 for nothing